Hi everyone, welcome to 2018 and welcome to my channel too. So if you like this new intro, I'm thinking about doing this for a little bit. Let's see how it goes. And I just starting off with this new year, starting off as 2018. I decided to do this smoky eye and hopefully you guys like it. So if you're interested to see how I did this look, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.
So I'm starting off by priming my eyes with this Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base. It's my favorite eyeshadow primer for my lids. I'm using my finger because it blends the product better with the warmth of my finger and making sure it's blending nicely all over my lids. Then I set them with my Wet n Wild single eyeshadow in Creme Brulee. I love using these two combos for my base and you're going to see me using them all the time for my videos. This actually helps my eyeshadow stay in place all day and does not crease at all. So I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette for this tutorial, and this time I have the palette with me so I can tell you all the eyeshadow that I'm using. So I'm using Silk Cream and I'm just applying it in my crease as a transitional color. And I'm just blending it nicely until it's smooth. So the next eyeshadow color that I'm using is called Hunts, and I'm just applying it into my crease where I had Silk Cream. I'm using Hunts because I want a warm base to my smoky eye since I'm going for that all warm tone look. So I need the base to look like it's on fire. And I'm just blending it nicely with the same brush that I used to apply Silk Cream and making sure there's no harsh edges. Now I'm going to use Queen and apply it on my lid area. I had to use my finger first to see if I get a better color payoff, but then later I used a flat brush and spray some setting spray and apply Queen again in my lid to get more of that metallic effect. I had to apply it with my finger a couple times before I used a brush. Here is where I used the flat brush and sprayed some setting spray to get that metallic effect. And I'm just making sure it's on my lid area and I'm kind of doing a cut crease. Next I'm using the color Jax and I'm applying it at the outer corner of my eyes to intensify the look. So while I put the color in my outer corner, I'm also blending it into my crease. I keep packing up that color in my outer corner until it looks dark enough, and then I'm going to use a clean fluffy brush to blend out any harsh line. Now we're done with the eyes for now, and we're going to begin our face. I'm starting off by using the Milani Prime Light Primer, and I'm just applying it all over my face. By the way, I like this primer, so you're going to see me using this a lot. And now I'm using this Milani foundation, and I'm applying it with my finger first. And then I'm going to buff in that foundation with this Sigma brush, which I have no idea what name is it or what type of brush is it, but it's the one with the round top. And I just like to buff the foundation into my skin with this brush. After applying the foundation, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape and Tape concealer. And I'm just putting it under my eye, on my forehead, on the tip of my nose, on top of my lip, and below my lip, which is my chin. And I'm just blending it with my beauty blender. And now I'm using my Wet n Wild contour palette, and I'm applying the banana shade under my eyes and all the places that I use my concealer. So I forgot to show you what product I'm using over here, but I'm just using my Ulta Beauty Matte Bronzer in the shade Warm. And I'm just bronzing up my face with this product. By the way, I'm still working on my angle. I'm trying to figure out which way is better. So I'm really sorry if you see me all over the place. Anyways, I'm using my NYX blush in Taupe and using it as a contour. So I'm applying it on the hollows of my cheeks, around my forehead, and my jawline. Now I'm using my Milani blush in Romantic Rose, which is my favorite blush. So you're going to see me using this a lot throughout my videos. Okay, it's time to finish off my eye. I'm using Hunts on my lower lash line and I'm just smudging it out nicely. Now I'm taking the color Jax and applying it on my lower lash line again, and I'm just smudging it the same place where I had Hunts. And I'm just applying some black eyeliner on my waterline to finish off this smoky eye. I'm using the color Inlight on my brow bone, and now I'm finally done with my eye makeup. Here I'm just using a smaller brush to apply that color in my brow bone. Okay, it's time for my lips. I started off by using the Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Red Velvet. And I didn't like this color for this look. The red was too pink and I wanted a more darker red color. So I had to apply my L'Oreal Infallible Lip Paint in the color Cinna-Bomb, which by the way my camera didn't record that part. So mad and so sorry about that. But this combo gave me the color that I was looking for, and now I'm just spraying my face with this Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I'm finally finishing this look off with my Maybelline Masterchrome highlighter, which by the way is my favorite highlighter. And here's the finished look. So I hope you guys like this tutorial, and please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel, and hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.